What's up everybody, JH10 Art here, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to draw anime eyes. To start off, if you want to make the eyes look exactly identical, you're going to want to create a straight line going horizontally. People think that once you draw the first eye, it's really hard to get the second eye exactly alike, but in reality it's not that hard. The reason for this is because once you get your first eye down, you can use that eye as a reference for your second eye. As you can see right here, I already finished sketching out my first eye, and now I'm using it as a reference because I created a straight line going across in order to see how high the second eye would have to be. Another tip to help you create the second eye is to measure the first eye lengthwise and replicate it to the second eye. Now moving on to the eyebrows, which are shifted a bit more to the right than the eye. Also, there is a pretty big space between the top of the eye and the bottom of the eyebrow. And if you want to make the eyebrows look exactly the same, just repeat the same process as you did with the first eye and the second eye. And now I'm going to be adding more detail to the eye, and I'll see you in a bit. If you're interested in seeing more drawing tutorials, make sure to check out my how-to drawing playlist. It's going to be in the top right hand corner. Also, while you're at it, make sure to smash that like button. Let's get this video to 30 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if this video is helping you out, make sure to smash that like button. Like I said, it really helps out with the channel. Right now I'm just adding more details to the eye. I'm darkening up certain areas, and I'm also shading in the iris of the eye. Also, do not forget to add in the white area of the eye, the portion where light is hitting the eye. It's really important to add this part because it really brings the eyes to life. For now I'm going to be finishing up the first set of eyes, and I'll see you in a bit. And we are done with the first set of eyes. This was an example of some pretty average looking eyes, but for the next example I'm going to be showing you all how to add a lot more emotion to your eye. And I'm going to be making the next set of eyes look a lot more serious. To begin, we're going to start off with the same process as we did with the first set of eyes. The only difference with these set of eyes is that we're going to make them look a lot more narrow. As you can see, as I'm doing right now, they are not as tall as they were with the first set of eyes. As you can see, the iris is not as tall as the first set of irises. To help you better understand this, kind of think of it as cutting off part of the first set of eyes in order to make it look a lot more narrow. Also, we're going to be changing the shape of the iris. Think of it as half a circle. As you can see, I added the horizontal line going straight across in order to match the same height as the first eye. And now we're going to be lowering the eyebrows in order to give it more of a serious look. As you can see, the eyebrows are shifted a bit more inwards. And I'm repeating the same process of adding the straight line going across in order to get the same height of the eyebrows. Now all that's left is to add more details. As you can see, I added more detail to the eyelash to give it more of the serious look. And now we repeat the same process as we did with the first set of eyes with the shading. And that's pretty much how you get the serious look for the second set of eyes. For the third set of eyes, we're going to be making them look like they're in shock. You know those set of eyes in anime when they're like, Masaka? Yeah, you know the ones. For these set of eyes, we're going to be making them a lot more taller than the first set of eyes. And in order to give the eyes the look of being in shock, you're going to want to draw the entire iris. As you can see, I added a nice curve towards the top portion of the eyelashes. Also, you don't want the iris to be touching the top nor the bottom portion of the eye. You just want the iris straight in the center of the eye. And to get the same height for the second eye, just repeat the same process as we've been doing for the last two set of eyes. Draw a line straight across. Now that I'm done with all that, I'm adding more details to the eye. Do not forget to add a shaded area towards the top portion of the eye. It gives the eye a lot more depth. And while I'm adding all these details, I'll see you in a bit. And we're done with the third set of eyes. It's time to move on to the fourth and final set. For these set of eyes, I'm going to be giving you all kind of a 3/4 view as an example. When a person or character is looking in a 3/4 view, one eye will always be bigger than the other because that's how the angle makes it look. For the eye that I'm drawing right now, it's going to be the one that appears smaller. Also, for this example, instead of creating a straight line going across, you're going to want to create kind of a slanted line. And I will show you once I am done with this eye. As you can see with the eye that I just finished, it looks like it was kind of cut in half, so be sure to keep that in mind. This is where the slanted line comes into play. As you can see, the bottom portion of the line is not straight anymore, we slanted it. And this slanted line gives it that angular look. Remember that when you are doing a 3/4 view, one eye will always appear longer than the other. To help you draw the second eye, think of it as doubling the first eye in terms of length. Also, one eye will always be a little higher up than the other. And that's pretty much how you draw kind of a 3/4 view with the eyes. And now it's time to start adding more detail to the eyes. The same goes for the eyebrows. One eyebrow will always be kind of longer and one eyebrow will be shorter. The shorter eyebrow obviously goes with the smaller eye. And that's pretty much how you draw eyes. Hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing and hopefully it really helped you out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button. Like I said, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel as well. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.